Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to add your grandfather to the family members section on your Facebook page using the app on your PC with the latest update. It's a simple process, and I'll guide you through every step to make it quick and easy. First, open your Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your profile page, where you can manage your information. Next, scroll down a little and find the About section. Click on it to open your profile's details. Here, you'll see several options, but the one we're interested in is Family and Relationships. Click on that to access the family member settings. Now, it's time to add a new family member. Look for the Add Family Member button and click on it. A box will appear where you can type the name of the person you want to add. Enter your grandfather's name carefully to make sure you select the right person. After typing in the name, Facebook will suggest matching profiles from your friends or connections. Choose your grandfather's profile from the list that appears. Once you've selected the profile, you'll see an option called Relationship. Click on the drop-down menu here and select Grandfather from the list of relationships. Finally, click the Save button to confirm the addition. Your grandfather will now appear in your family members list on your profile. That's it. You've successfully added your grandfather to your family members on your Facebook page using the app on your PC. It's a great way to keep your family connected and share your family tree with friends. If you want to add more family members, just repeat these steps for each one. Thanks for watching.